cyclists are almost invisible to drivers. So we decided to step up. This is Faro, a smart urban helmet that is sleek, minimalistic, and something you'll actually want to wear. This thing checks all the boxes. Help us make cooler helmets and safer streets with Faro.
Introducing Heim Vision, a Shure B1.
Wow, they look great.
The 2K Full HD resolution and 130 degrees field of view ensure full details to be captured. A Shure B1 can be powered by rechargeable batteries or simply by the sun. Connect up to 4 wireless cameras to one base station. The IP65 weather resistance camera can withstand different weather. It lets you see in full color at night. The spotlight scares the intruders off. And the smart siren keeps you updated when detecting the motion. The PR sensor helps recognize human figures.
Your parcel, please.
Leave it by the door, please. Hi, Alexa. Turn on camera 1.
A Shure B1 also works with Alexa. Save recorded videos to a memory card or securely stored in the cloud. Ask your family to join for watching together.
It's a lover's fight with
thing that brought me alive. Going wrong like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi.